Good morning, students. Happy Wednesday. It's a beautiful day outside. Hopefully, you can have a wonderful day reviewing. You can go out and enjoy the fresh air and look at what we're going to go over today. I know the last 2 days with symmetry have been kind of hard and a lot of work, so hopefully the next 2 days you can take it kind of easy. I want to go over some review words and concepts that we did right before spring break. The first one was parallel. And if you remember, those are lines that are equally spaced and will never touch. The other word we talked about was perpendicular. Now they cross and form a 90-degree angle. Then the last word with lines that we talked about was intersecting. And those are lines that just cross. A lot of times they cross really wide or really skinny. That word just means that they cross. So I went out this morning and I got some sticks and I said, you know what? We could use these. We can look at parallel, we can find perpendicular, and we can find intersecting. You might find something in your garage. Remember the video I showed you about the girl who used the wrenches? You can find anything in your yard that you could practice these 3 words and make sure you're going over the definition. The other thing I want you to work on reviewing today is acute, obtuse, and right. So if you remember, acute is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. Okay, so we talked about acute and we talked about it as an acute triangle. So every single angle is less than 90 degrees. So this one's probably 60, 60, and 60. Okay? So the next one I want to look at is obtuse. So obtuse angles are greater than 90 degrees. So from 91 up, that is an obtuse angle. We also talked about it as a triangle. So if we make our triangle like this, remember obtuse triangles have 1 obtuse and then 2 acute. So the last one we looked at was a right angle and a right triangle, and it is exactly 90 degrees. So, looking at a triangle that is a right triangle, you will have one angle, that's the 90 degrees, and then you'll have 2 acute angles. So I want you to go over those definitions today of what acute, right, and obtuse, what their degrees are, and then look at it as a triangle. I want to show you what you could do. Put this here. If you found something in your house, even if you've just got markers or crayons or Legos or whatever, you can make a right triangle. You can make, if you break them all evenly, an acute triangle, or you can make an obtuse triangle. So hopefully you're going to have a fun, more relaxed day reviewing. Tomorrow we're going to come back and we're going to review quadrilaterals. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow.